Yeah, now. Good day, good day, good day, good day, good day, good day. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're joining from. How are you doing? It's another live trading session with Mayowa. Owolabi. Really excited. Today's another day. How are you doing? Good afternoon. Tell me where you're joining from. Hey, in Shibi. How are you, coach? I'm fine. Thank you. And you? Hi, Zambia. Good afternoon. Good to have you. I'm on. I'm excited. I'm excited. How's your trading been this week? Tell me. So, guys, you're welcome one more time. Can you click on the share button? Let's click on the share button. Let's help other people see what we have for them today. And make sure you. Hey, Bali FX, how you doing? Let's share, let's share, let's share. Make sure you click on the subscriber button. Let's share. Let's share before we get. Yeah. Hey, Bal FX from Abuja. Good to have you, bro. How is Abuja? How is Abuja today? Great. Fantastic. Let's share. Let's share. Let's share. Let's share. Thank you, Quacker Julius. Thank you for sharing. I'm sharing on groups right now. Just have 2 more minutes to do that. Good afternoon, Maoga. Missing your lectures. Hey, yeah, I can imagine. You need to get back to the group. You need to get back to the group. A lot is happening. And we are starting boot camp today, Seth. We're starting boot camp today. We're starting boot camp today. Let's share, guys. Let's share. I'm broadcasting to all the channels that we have, all the platforms, sorry, that we can get started. So, let's get to work. Where do you guys want me to start right now? What charts? Thank you, Godwin, for sharing. God bless you. God bless you. Okay. Ifine is saying we should do. Ifine says we should do Euro, USD, and GJ. What's your bias on GJ? Thank you for joining. Okay. Samuel says, good coach. Good afternoon. Happy birthday once again. Thank you so much. Amen. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your prayers. They mean a lot to me. Thank you. So, if I say we should work on EU and GJ. I need 2 more. Julia says, God bless you. Amen. What other pair you want me to work on? Okay. Tanko says GU. Good afternoon, coach. Yeah, good afternoon, sirs. Awesome. Cameroon. How is Cameroon today? Good. So let's start. Let's get started with EU, GU, and GJ. EU. So what's your bias, Mr. Ifine? What's your own bias? What's your bias, Mr. Emeka, on EU? What's your own bias? Mr. Godwin, what's your bias on G? At least you already know how it's done. So let me get. Okay, so let's go to EU. Okay, so number one is that EU is dropping from 2020 December when um, the year of COVID, when palliative was given to US citizens. Okay, so they gain more strength, and right now the market has dropped, and it has really dropped well. So I still expect 1,500 pips more down before I eventually take my long time buy. But before that happens, since monthly is more of a sell opportunity that monthly is calling for, let's go to weekly and see what weekly is saying. So we have a weekly retracement here at 1.700. So I think right now EU should get a retracement because of this full drop that has happened. So that takes us to daily. But on daily time frame, this is the last structure that we had. This is the last structure frame that we have, that we are permitted to trade. So the only option we have is to allow this market come back here and look for a buy. But if we take a buy here, it's a counter trend. And if you know me, I'm an advocate of trading with the trend. Counter trend, you stay away from it. Okay? But if it is a must for you to trade, okay, if it is a must for you to trade, then you want to trade in this box, look for your buy. But if I'm going to be putting my money, I'll wait for the market to retrace to this place because it has the capacity to do what is called liquidity here. Okay, so this guy will drop into this place and begin to form funny some funny retracement. So from there, if you go to 1 hour, intraday wise, I'll be looking for a sell here. Okay, I'll be looking for a sell in this zone for short-term sell. Okay, but there's a potential reversal here in this box. So if you pick the sell here, you exit here, or you trail your stop loss. When you trail your stop loss, it allows you to be able to manage the trade instead of exiting the market. Okay. So, but I see this guy come to react in this demand zone. That's what I see right now. But the best approach on this trade is to wait for this short-term trade, which is already giving us that pattern. So I'll be taking a short-term sell here. Short-term sell, okay? Short-term sell. But here is the main buy. but it's a counter trend because the frame, this is the frame, this is the frame, this is the frame. So for those who use Fibonacci, if you draw from here to this place, okay, this will be your sell zone for those that use Fibonacci. So two things are two view. Either you take the counter trend or you wait for the main sell. Another view is to take the intraday. Okay, but you have to use confirmation. Don't just come and put sell. Okay, we are going to be using 1 minute entry here. This is a 30 pip stop loss, so I can't go in. So when the market comes here, I'll use a 1 minute confirmation entry. Then I'm good. So Euro USD, my bias is sell. The buy on the daily zone is going to be a long term. It's going to be a counter trend. Some of us are experts, so we can do counter trend depending on your trading approach. But apart from that, I'll wait for this short term sell. That's what I'm waiting for. Make sense? Okay. Oh. Ah! Apostle Silas, Euro USD dropping. Okay, sir. I'll wait for the retracement. Oh, good to have you. Good day, boss from Ibadan. Yeah, Mr. Charles, good to have you. Okay, on Apostle Silas. Well done. Good to have you. Waiting to confirm from you. Fantastic. Okay, so for me, Euro USD, we're going to take a short sell into the buy, and the buy from the daily low, we're going to take it off. But the buy is a counter trend, okay? Is a counter trend so that we can have a smooth experience. Okay? GBP. Let's check what GBP JPY has. Here is the last frame, structure frame. This is your break of structure. So this is the higher low. Okay, so this counter trend back into this zone. But if you use monthly time frame, you're going to have a bigger frame. Okay, so might be using this guy. Might be using this guy. So for me, either this zone or this zone, and you go to daily, the market needs to retrace from where it is right now. The market needs to retrace from where it is right now. So right now, the only option we have is to sell. Keep selling. But like I do tell you, it's counter trend. It's counter trend. You can see high, low, higher low, lower high. Sorry. Yeah, lower high, higher low. So it's more of ranging here. But because of this movement, and this drop is more of a sell. So it will sell from where it is. You have to sell from where it is down. Sell from where it is down. Okay, that's about 1,000 pips. Okay, so if you come to daily time frame, you see that you have a what? Liquidity, clear of liquidity there. You have change of trend, the break of the low, you have this zone. So you already have new frame right here. So if you can get a sell opportunity, to be a good one. To be a good one. So sell and look for sell in this frame. And look for sell in this frame. Then you drive it for the 1,000 pips. I'm still holding my GBP JPY. I'm still holding it. Okay. I'm still loading it. If I can add to it tomorrow or next, but I still feel that it's going to come down. But I broke even. Okay, you always want to break even so that if the trade comes against you, you don't lose. It's better than losing. So my bias is sell. Use your strategy to kill it. My bias is sell for GJ. Small buy for EU. EU is against the trend. Cameroon is good. Thank you. You're welcome, my brother. Okay, so our says that I think GJ should buy massive. Like I do tell you guys, when you look at the market comprises of buyers and sellers. Okay, if you use any strategy, if you use different strategy, one strategy can be calling buy, the other can be calling sell. Okay, but my view is that there should be a retracement on that main impulse move. That's my view. Okay. So and Bebeto Inyang Ying says that he feels GJ will buy. It's possible, very possible. Okay. So and if he starts buying, what we now do is that it means that the whole analysis needs to be corrected. Okay, so you change it from the sell analysis to buy analysis. That's all. That's all. So that's what makes, and you make sure you are using risk reward. You don't just you use risk reward. You don't just say, oh, because GJ is right now, is GJ is buying, I will use 100%. You know. Hope I've helped. Trading is not about proving right or wrong. Trading is about Trading is about money, profiting. $10 is profit. $20 is profit. So it's a business of profiting, not a business of showing that you are right or you are wrong, which is what a lot of people do. Any other one? Tell me. So our bias for EU is sell. Our bias for DJ is sell too. But they are both counter trends. EU sell is not a counter trend. It's just a retracement back to the buy zone. I was I was said trading is about profit, not proving any point. Thank you, sir. Yeah, my brother. It's about profiting. You know, a lot of people used to show, oh, my strategy is better. No, now stop. Stop doing that. Stop doing that. You're going to allow you see, there's a lot of battle than you to be fighting strategy battle. No, there's a lot of battle. There's a battle of strategy for you to know, have a strategy that is winning. There's a battle of trade management, how to manage a trade. There is a battle of psychology of trading. There's a battle of psychology of trading. There's also a battle of personal. Uh, there's a battle of personal. I'll still say personal, like personal correction or personal. Yeah, there's a battle of personal pride. That's the word. You know, you have two types of pride. I think I told you guys the other time. Some people they are prideful to people, if there's an English like that, and some people they have pride to themselves. They don't take correction even when they know that it's wrong. Mm-hmm. Okay, so then the last but the least battle is battle of growth. So imagine fighting that 5 battle. By the time you are still fighting those battles, oh, you are now fighting that your strategy. You are fighting somebody to show that your strategy is better than the other person's strategy. No. Mr. Mayowa is loaded with wisdom. Yeah, thank you, sir. That's it. That's it. I'll teach you guys 5 battles every trader must fight. Where are my team? Bukola, are you in this session? 5 battles every trader must fight. 5 battles every trader must fight. Okay, I'll write a book on it. Ah, oh, jeez. You first 5 battles that you must win. Yes, I'll teach you. I'll do a training on it. Because if you don't see it that way, you would think that you are in a battle with someone. So by the time you're able to overcome the 5 battles, then I can tell you that you're ready. So it's not about showing. Okay, Samuel says, please, sir, can you look at UJ? So what are you looking at UJ, Samuel? Tell me. What's your view on GJ? You must have a view before I put my view, and I will just do my own analysis to share my view. Thank you, Bukola. 5 battles every traders must fight or must win. Change it to must win. Ah, you see the flyer. soon. Thank you, Samuel. 5 battle every trader must win, must fight and win, or must fight and win. Yeah, must fight and win. Battle of strategy battle, trade management battle, psychology battle, personal pride battle. The fight. Jeez, this is deep. Then the last one is investment battle. A lot of people are making money and they are investing wrongly. Investment battle. Oh, jeez. I'm loving. I'm loving it. Yes, that's it. 5 battles every trader must fight and win. 5 battles. You see it will come out in the next 90 days. Okay. Someone says buy on daily. About there is a break of structure on 4 hours. Set. Okay. Is there is on 4 hours calling for sell. Okay, so let's check now. Let's check my own view. My own view. My own view. Guys, I can be wrong. Number one, I can't buy UJ because it's already on a monthly supply. So the only option is to look for sell opportunity on daily. Okay. It's already on monthly supply. Okay. It's a trade that we analyze in the community, and we are going to be holding the sell for 8,000 pips. We're going to hold it for about 9 months. So this is the sell zone on daily. Yeah, we wait for confirmation on daily. Is that confirmation we'll be using to go in on our sell. So I won't buy because monthly is already calling sell. And when monthly is calling sell, I won't put my money. Okay, so when monthly is already calling sell, it means the institutions are already looking for sell in this level. It could take 2 weeks to gather momentum. It could take 1 week to gather to establish the fact that there is a sell. Okay, and you can also confirm it this week, but the bias for UJ is sell. So I can buy. The bias is sell. I'll wait for the sell. Then I'll hold the sell till the sell gives me what I want. Is that clear, sir? Is that clear, Mr. Samuel? Have I been able to help? Mr. Ifan says, in all, I am fighting to win. Yeah, you must win. That's it. Hey, Emelda from Kenya. Hey, big up, sir. Celebrate you. Celebrate you too, sir. Thank you, sir. Fantastic. So I'm more biased. My bias is to sell. I don't think buy will work. But for intraday, buy could work. But some of us we trade on 15 minutes, 5-minute chart and all of that. But I'm a swing trader and I'm not shy at it. I'll even call myself more of a position trader because I hold trade for 3 months, 6 months. I've not held a trade for more than a year, but I look forward to it. You know what it takes to hold a trade for 1 year? Where you're going through a lot of temptations every day to buy and to sell. That's a lot. So we've established GU for a sell. No, EU, sorry, for a short sell. Then if it breaks the daily demand, we'll buy from there. Okay, we've established GJ for a massive sell, about 1,200 pips. Okay, if it doesn't break that structure. Okay, then we also established USD JPY for a sell-off that we'll be holding for more than a year. So that's a 3-trade analysis. So all you need to do now is to use your strategy to get the entry prices. Please always use your calculator. Okay? Always use your calculator. Always know what you are risking. Always know what you're risking. Okay, let's pick one more. Thanks for this UJ. I have seen the change of trend according to you. Yeah, brother. That's how we rock and roll it. Any question, guys? There'll be a lot of range market consolidation because tomorrow is FOMC. This week is FOMC. And FOMC is a table shaker. FOMC is a table shaker. So you need to be very okay. So let's go on the last shot. Let's take sir, please check CAD JPY. I don't see any trade here. We're in the middle of an ocean right now. No supply, no anything. Except you're a support and resistance trader. So if you're a support and resistant trader, then you'll be looking for a sell. But if you're a supply and demand trader, so the sell is not clear yet. The only thing that can make me sell this guy if he comes here. Okay? So So like I said, he has broken this structure. He has broken this structure. So for me to sell, this guy need to come back to the top. I know a lot of people saying that they will sell. You see, it's just now. Let me share. See, in life, there must be a balance. Everybody, comment balance. Let me share this with you. There must be a balance. There must be a balance. See, when it comes to trading, for you to have sniper entries with a risk reward of 1 to 10, 1 to 30, 1 to 50, you need to wait for those trades to happen. But if your trade, if you just want to be entering based on candle patterns, based on engulfing, all this trend line, all of those things, then your stop losses will be like 25, 40 pips, 70 pips. And you have to face it. But if you want to have proper risk management, where you are using 5 pips stop loss, then you need to wait and be detailed with your trading. Okay, so I so good. So there must be a balance. You know, if you are trading all stop loss, chart pattern, candles, and all of those, you can use 30 pips, 20 pips, 25 pips, 70 pips, 50 pips. You're good. But if you're trading and you want to use a very low risk, 5 pips, 3 pips, 10 pips, 15 pips, you need to wait for such trades to come. So you have to pick one. There is a balance. There is an option. God gives us option. Okay. So not that, oh, Mr. Mayowa, I want to trade because I see this candle. No, you will use your usual lot sizes. Okay. So for us in the institutional trading concept community, our goal is to go in on fewer trades, fewer lot sizes, stop losses, so that we can make more. So in a week, we might not. Sometimes we don't even see a trade that goes with trend. So, but if you're already used to picking of trades weekly, you'll be angry. You know, you'll be angry because you want to really trade. You know, so everything that has to do with trading, there has to be a balance. Okay, there has to be a balance. And when you pick that balance, you can now say to yourself, you're ready to go. Okay. So for me, my bias for CAD JPY is that if I have to sell, it has to come to the top. This is the only place I can sell. But Mr. Mayowa is already forming. Yeah. Anything it forms, I have to wait. Okay. It has cleared 2 good demand zones, or 3 self. So that means that there's an interest here. Okay. But when it gets here, I will now go again, okay, to 15 minutes or 5 minutes to pick that sniper entry in here. Oh, but Mr. Mayowa, this is a head and shoulder, you know, those kind of pattern trading. Yeah, but guys, the only place I am permitted to sell is here. And by the grace of God, I'm not doing bad with my trading. Okay, so it's a lot of work to keep waiting, you know, but everyone in the community are doing well for themselves. So you must understand that. So I feel that you have to wait for this card check, okay, and it's also counter trend. because monthly is calling buy. Monthly is calling buy, is controlled by buy. So this is a counter trend back. So it's a good one, but you have to maximize it. Okay. I hope this helps, guys. That's the way to help. So that's my view for card JP1. Any other question, guys? So get ready. Watch out for your entries. Euro USD short sell to the buy, and the buy is a counter trend. USD JPY look for a sell. GBP JPY look for a sell. That's my view. CAD JPY look for a sell at the outermost part of the chart on the 4 hours chart. Okay, so one of our people in the on LinkedIn is saying, sir, institutional trading is the same as smart money concept, right? No, it's not the same. Smart money concept they trade more with liquidity grab, liquidity takeoff, you know, but they take their roots from supply and demand. Okay, institutional trading concept will take our root from supply and demand. Okay, we take our root from supply and demand. By the grace of God, I'm the creator of institutional trading concept. Okay, so our own approach is different, but we take our root from supply and demand. Smart money concept take their root from supply and demand. So you see them talk about liquidity a lot. They talk about order block. Okay, in ITC we don't talk about order block. We talk about supply and demand. We talk about change of trend. We talk about all of those terminologies. But when it comes to smart money concept, they talk about liquidity grab. They talk about liquidity swept. They talk about a lot of several terminologies. But everybody just have their own. But all of them works. Like I do tell you, every strategy works. It just depends on the person that is trading it and how much of experience you've gathered. Hope I've been able to answer your question. LinkedIn. Let me get the name of the person that asked that question. Okay, Tosi Aregbesola. Thank you. How much of experience you've gathered? Hope I've been able to answer your question. Is that clear, Tosin? Fantastic. Good day, Mr. Mayowa. I really love your style of trading. Warming up to join your community. Wow, fantastic. We can't wait to have you, Bartolomeo Obiora. And we are starting a boot camp today. Okay, we're starting a boot camp today. If you can join, I'll give you 50% discount, $250. It's a 3 days crash course for ITC. Crash course. It's a crash course. It's $500, but I'll give Bartolomeo Obiora. I'll give you a discount to join. It's a 3 days, 9 hours of my life with you. Let's kill it. Thanks, sir. Understood. It makes proper sense. Fantastic. Thank you. Smart money. Smart money is quite ethic. Smart money is not ethic. It's just understanding. You see, when you want to understand a strategy, understand them in parts before you bring them together. If you approach smart money concept to understand the whole at once, no, it might take you time. But if you want to understand the strategy, understand the parts. ITC has 7 checklists. So the way I teach people is understand them in parts, then bring them together. Okay, but if you learn, you know, if you want to learn at stretch, it's going to take you a while. Okay, Tosin says, thank you, sir. Thank you, Martin. I will have to see you in camera, sir. God knows. Yeah, let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. Reach out to the admin. She will get you a session. She'll book a section with me. Reach out to the admin. She will check my itinerary and she'll tell you when I'll be in the office. Let's make it happen. Smart money concept is good. Every strategy is good. It's just like I told you, when it comes to strategy, take it as a as gun equipment, gun. Some people use pistol, some people use AK-47, some people use sniper guns. So use it's all about the person that is using it. Sir, please, sir, can you do a video on fib extension? Okay. We'll check. Uh, I'll check how soon that can be done. You know, we have a we have a schedule. We have a schedule. Okay, guys. Hope you guys get some value today. What will you say to our team for making sure I'm available? These guys are amazing people. So if you're interested in joining the community, reach out to the number on the screen or you shoot us a mail at contact@owolabi.com. Okay, shoot us a mail. Shoot us a mail and we'll be glad to have you. Or you reach out on WhatsApp, you're good. Come on, guys, show some love if you're excited about today's session. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Femi Joe says, yes, boss. Fantastic. Let's go. So please trade your strategy. Don't let anybody influence your trading style. You just need to. Every trading style has its own learning curve. Every trading style has its own learning curve. And every trading style has its own weakness. Okay? Like for example, now ITC weakness is not trading every day. Okay, so if you are used to picking trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you will have an issue. Okay, so if you want strategy that you can pick trade every day, you have to go for that. You have to go for that. Thank you so much, sir. Shout out to your team members. Really grateful. You're welcome. Yeah, Mr. Ifan says you are the bomb, sir. Yeah, I'm the bomb. I want to explode to 1 billion people. Show them how to leverage on financial education and be the best for themselves. That's the goal. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. I'm sure I'll be able to add some value to you. I look forward to your success. If you have any question, reach out to our admin. She's willing and ready to help you. Okay, bless your heart, sir, and to your amazing team. Thank you so much. She'll be willing to help. And congratulations to those that joined the team via the Founders Day offer. Congratulations to you. And everyone that sent me a message, gifts, your prayers, thank you so much. Thank God. Thank God. I'm happy that I'm able to be a blessing to you. Hanging out with you is always mind-blowing. More grace, sir. Amen. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time, the awesome team at work, putting for the time put behind the scene. Thank you so much. You're welcome. You're welcome. So I'll see you guys next week. Okay, I'll see you guys on Saturday, 7 p.m. As usual, we're going to be talking about, I don't know the topic yet, if they've not brought it to my desk. Okay, guys. Peace out, guys. Don't forget, trade your rules. The rules will pay the bills. Trade your rules. The rules will pay the bills. Don't go after paying the bills. Go after the rules. The rules will pay the bills. I look forward to your success, and I'll see you at the top, and not from the top because the ground is too crowded. Peace out, guys.